Here I have Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it. So in this kind of situation, what you will have to do is to turn your device off by holding down power key, but as you can see it says you that you have to enter PIN code to turn it off. So what can you do in this situation? Firstly, we will have to insert USB cable connected to computer from the other side. Then we have to turn off our device by holding down power key plus volume down forcefully, and right after the screen turns off, it goes black, you release keys and you hold down power key plus volume up. I'm gonna show you how you do it quick, so let's get it. Power key plus volume down, we hold it, and then when the screen goes off, we quickly release the keys and hold down power key plus volume up. And now when you see Samsung logo appear, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option wipe data factory reset. Then select factory data reset here. And after you see the message data wipe complete, select the first option reboot system now, and device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.